Hi guys, this is IBN Nails with Naomi, and today I'm going to show you how to apply glitter to your IBN shellac. So I've applied 2 coats of a colour I like, and I'm just going to take my glitter and dab it onto the nail. It should stick to your sticky layer. Once you've dabbed it all over the nail and it's completely covered, you're just going to rub back and forth with your brush. This rubs the glitter into the sticky layer and also removes any bits that aren't going to stick. You want to make sure you remove as much of the extra glitter as you can, because you're going to apply a top coat after this and you don't want all your glitter to end up in your top coat. When applying your top coat, don't forget to cap the end of the nail to stop anything getting underneath it. And you're just going to cure that nail for 2 minutes. Once you've cured it, you're going to take your nail cleanser and a lint-free pad. Just spray some cleanser onto the lint-free pad and rub it over the nail to remove the sticky layer. I've put some pictures on the end of this video so you can have a closer look. Thanks for watching my video guys, I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the box below. Bye!